Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. We're going to be doing another Q&A for your urban garden and any gardening questions you may have. This next question comes from MA for the video Urban Garden Live. Your garden looks great. We need to know how you feed your trees, especially peach tree. So as you can see right here, I have my 4-in-1. There's Lulu, if you could see her. This right here is a Babcock peach, nice big white peach, loaded fully. And right over here I have my Saturn peach, which is really loaded. I had to thin about 150 peaches off of this, or I would have lost a lot of limbs this year. So how I feed my peach trees is I simply spray them with seaweed. Maybe a little fish. I don't like putting too much fish in the grass underneath because Lulu will probably roll around in it and she's going to start smelling like fish. So if you really want to produce healthy peach trees, or any healthy tree in that matter, spray seaweed and fish emulsion if need be, but seaweed is key. I don't get much peach leaf curl, if any, on my nectarine or my peach trees. And I do not spray any copper spray or dormant spray in the dormancy period as well. And once again, send in your questions. Lulu likes reading the letters too. Do you like reading letters, Lulu? Say hi to the camera. Bring me letters. That's what she's saying. Alright everyone. Happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching everyone.